Here, test 1 is a table. Slowly observe here. This is another table. Select a star from here. Test 2 is a table. These are the two tables yesterday we are starting. Concentrate here. In these two tables, I am using what some matching data and a non-matching data also I am using. Suppose A column and B columns are common columns. Here X is a matching data and Y is a matching data. Okay, fine. Again, not matched only here. P and S is not matching, and also Q and T is not matching. Okay, P and Q means matching. Okay, how it will be matching a P and S and Q and T? Impossible. Observe here. Suppose I am writing about today based on these tables. I am writing about today Oracle 8i equijoin, otherwise Oracle 9i inner join. But what is the output? You are only tell me. Why? Because always equijoins in a Oracle 8i, otherwise Oracle 9i inner joins returns a matching rows only. What is matching data and watching what is matching rows? Difference today you are understandable. Very, 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 very important concept. Anybody telling a what in our class? Very good. Observe it here. Last 1 minute only. Observe it here. So many fellows are lately connected. ABC is a first table, test one table. Second table is a AB columns are there. Here XX is matching, YY is matching. P and S is not matching. Q and T is not matching. And C column Z R is there. Now I try to use Oracle 8i equijoin. Select star, I'm interested. Whenever I'm using a what star means, there is no ambiguity error. Now from here test 1 using alias name, without using alias name, not a problem. This 8i equijoin test 1 comma test 2, where yes, here test 1 dot common column A is equal to test 2 dot B, oh sorry, A, like this. Test 1 dot A is equal to test 2 dot A. And another condition also, common column is there, better to write it. Okay, how can I? Don't write it, just observe. One test 1 dot B is equal to test 2 dot B. Okay, this query is working, but unfortunately, what is the output? Anybody guess it? Whenever I am writing a what like this is a Oracle 8 equijoin. A, B, C is a columns are there. A, B is a column is there in a second table, and X, Y, Z, P, Q, R is a data in a test one table, and X, Y and ST is a what a data in a where second table. Based on that one, what is the output? Yes, very good. Some fellows are telling correct. Yes, star means all columns are displayed. All columns means here A and B and C is a first table columns, and second table columns is a what A and B only. Very good. Columns okay, but data tell me. So now here yes, some fellows are telling columns. Very good, correct. Star means duplicate data columns also. All the columns it will be displayed. Data, very good. Data is a what? Always equijoin returns a matching rows or not? Yes, here. Now XX is matching and P and S is not matching. That's why X, very good, correct. First one X only. Okay, fine. Again, second B column, which one? Very good. YY is matching and Q and T is not matching. Very good. Y it will be retrieved. Again here A, here also XX is matching. Yes. Again here P and Q is not matching only. And now here observe here. Now yes, here YY is matching. Very good. YY is matching. Up to this one correct. But unfortunately, what is my doubt? In a C column, Z is there. Z and R is there. Now Z is not a matching data. Now Z is displayed or not displayed. Only one thing is correct. Very, very important. Anybody telling what this answer means? Very good actually. First time newcomer. Tell me anybody. Here in a C column, Z is displayed or not displayed. Only one thing is correct fast. Maybe guess it without executing. Or now guess it. Very, very important. Very good. So many fellows are. I am also. You are also thinking first time newcomer. Z is not displayed. We are thinking, but unfortunately, Z also displayed. Very, very important. Why it is displayed? That is important. Z also displayed. Z is not a matching data, but unfortunately, why Z is displayed means I will tell you. Very, very important. That is entry question only. That purpose. And now check it out. Observe it here. I try to execute. Copy this one. Yes, here X Y matching, but Z is not matching. Also, it is displayed only. Why it is displayed means I will tell you. Now check it out. I try to execute like this. Yes. Z also displayed. Z also displayed. What is this one? Why it is displayed means actually up to now department number column you have an idea in a EMP and a DEP table. I am also, you are also thinking about, yes, here always equi-joins in a variculator or 9A joins, inner join, matching data only, it will be written, we are thinking. Why? Because here 10-10 is matching, here 20-20 matching, again 30-30 matching, like that only. That's why matching data we are thinking, that are not a matching data. So now here, yes, here actually terminology is different. Matching data is a wrong answer. Not a matching data. Always equi joins or inner join returns a what? Not a matching data. Matching rows is a terminology. There is a different. Matching data and matching rows are different only. But first time newcomer means yes, here always here department number based only their imagination. That's why they are mistaken only. Yes, matching rows. Observe here, matching rows always equi joins in a variculator or all other databases. Yes, what okay, sir, servers are written say what? Matching rows, inner joins, matching rows only it will be written. Matching rows means what the meaning of matching rows means? Yes, here observe here in these tables X is matching, okay, X is displayed. P and S is not matching, okay, rejected. Yes, Y is matching, yes, Y is displayed. Q and T is not matching, okay. But this matching data is available in a which row, that a row also it will be displayed. Star we are using, this row. In this row, Z also there. Really, Z is a non-matching data, but why it is displayed means, yes, in this matching data is available in a which row, that a row also, non-matching data also it will be displayed. That is important. This is a row. This is a row. Observe it here. In this row, matching data is there. In this matching data is available in a which row. In that row, non-matching data is available also, it will be displayed. That's why matching rows, star we are using, yes, that's why matching rows. That's why Z is displayed. This is entry question only. So many fellows are your experience are not checked out purpose. These type of our own tables only. Okay, fine. Now again observe it here. Now I want to convert this one into where? Yes, 9I inner join. How can I? Yes, in place of where clause, yesterday I'm telling on clause only. In place of a comma, we are using a what? Which keyword? Yes, your join is a keyword. Output is same or not? Yes, your output is same only. And now here automatically here join keyword and also on clause means output is same. Now suddenly yesterday I'm starting a what? Using clause I am telling only. Yes, using clause output and also these two outputs difference you are understandable now. That's why then only we are understandable using clause only. Now check it out. Here common columns are there. How many times common columns are there? Observe here. AB is a one time is a common column. Again, another time is a what? AB is there. Two times only common columns are available. That's why two times only it will be displayed. But unfortunately, whenever we are using a what? Using clause. Now concentrate here. Just in place of on clause. Today one of these days I will tell you using is a clause only. I will tell you using is a clause. And now here common columns we are using only. One of these days I will tell you. Now here using clause that one. Don't worry. What is that using clause? I will tell you. I try to execute this one. Whenever using clause, I am using means in place of on clause, some syntax is there. Common columns, how many times are displayed? Yes, very good. Only one time. Observed here, two times are not displayed. In a previous case, on class side, output observed here. Here, two times are there. AB and AB, two times are there. But unfortunately, here, always using class, we are using means common columns. How many times are displayed? Yes, only one time is displayed. That's why, yes, here, what is using clause? Project side. That's why so many fellows are doesn't have an idea this using clause only. Actually, whenever in a reporting side, common columns you want to display only one time. When we are using a star, then we go for using as a special clause in place of on clause only. That is important. Okay. In a special case, that's why in ANSI joins in MySQL, SQL Server, DB2, in all databases also, in place of on clause, we can also use using clause, but using clause always returns common columns one time only. That's why whenever in a project reporting side, yes, in so many number of times common columns are available also. I want to display in a way only one time that output in a common columns, then only we go for Google using clause. Otherwise, don't go for using clause. That's why that special case. That's why so many fellows are doesn't have an idea that using clause only. Okay, based on these tables, not only using clause, we can also understandable that is occasion of your left outer, right outer, full outer, natural, all the things you are understandable only. First, write it about example. First, write it example. Yesterday we are writing a what, creating a table. No, you are also try it here. This one, create table, table name, test one, A, where cat 2, B, where cat 2, C, here where cat 2 and non-matching data also displayed. No, why? Because matching rows. That understandable purpose. Here I am inserting a data. Insert into table name test1, values like this. Here so much of data. Now here like this. Write it this one. Slowly this outputs also active. One table I'm creating. Again another table. Create table, table name test2. Here same columns I'm using a where cat. Here B where cat. Character data my interested because numbers we are using regularly, that's why character also we are trying. Now insert into table and test2 values. Slowly write it these things. Anybody lately connected means take a snap this one to the mobile. Okay, yeah. This is a second table, write it. This data is important for these type of typical questions the interviewer asking is Z is displayed or not. Check it out for this one. These are the two tables I'm using. Right, it's ID 9INR join I'm using. Z is a non-matching data also displayed now? Yeah. Because matching rows are available, matching data is available in which row? In that row, non-matching data also displayed. Output, write it. Output is important. Here Z also it will display now. Yeah. Write it this one. Using class. This is I want only. This is a special class. Okay, not a required, but better to know why, because natural join side using class algorithm is there. That's why. Write it side heading using class. Using class. Write it some theory. In Oracle 9i joins, write it using class. In Oracle 9i joins, in Oracle 9i joins, we can also use using class. In Oracle 9i joins, we can also use using class in place of on class. In place of on class. In place of on class. But using clause always returns. But using clause always returns common columns one time only. But using clause always returns common columns one time only. But using clause always returns common columns one time only. But using clause always returns common columns one time only. One time underlined. Syntax. But using clause always returns common columns one time only. Syntax. Select. Syntax, write it. Select. Star, we are write it. Okay. Number of columns means some problem is there. That is later. Select star from table name 1. Join is a keyword. Table name 2. Here, using is a clause, not a on clause. Using it is a rare cases. Here, within the brackets only, common column names we are using. Common column name 1, comma, common column name 2. Then a number of common columns also. Write it with syntax. This ANSI standard syntax, not only Oracle side, every database. Anybody not writing what a theory means? Again, observe it here. In Oracle 9a joins, we can also use using clause in place of on clause. But using clause always returns common columns one time only. Syntax. This syntax, write it. And also this example, write it. Example. AB, only one time only displayed AB, no? Yeah. This syntax, after that one output write it, because previous case output is different and this case output is different, no? The project side only common columns one time only they want in some reporting case, then only they are using this one. Otherwise, don't go for using clause. Only on clause enough, but this extra concept. Why I'm telling is today natural join side, this concept is there internally, that's why I'm telling. Next side rating, left outer join or left join, anything also. Outer is an option. Left outer join. Today one of the stage diagrammatic base is very easy, but before that one normal left. Left outer join. In every database, easiest joins, very easy. Easiest joins are left outer, right outer, full outer. That easy concepts. This much of easy is not there in any joins in any database also. Every database also easiest concepts are left outer, right outer, full outer joins. Now check it out. How you are understandable that concept means through these tables understandable, but before that one, just the olden days concepts I'm telling. Suppose yesterday I'm telling only select the star from EMP. In EMP table, 10, 20, 30 is there, department number. Slowly observe here, yes. Again, this DEPT table is there, select a star from here, DEPT is a table, okay. In this DEPT table, 10, 20, 30, 40 is there. What I am telling, 8 equijoins yesterday I am telling only, how can I select which columns I want to display, that columns only But unfortunately, I want to display all the department numbers from DPT table. I'm asking only yesterday. D dot department number I'm typing only yesterday concept. D name, comma, location, like this only. From from here EMP, E, comma, DPT, D only. Here where, now observe it here, E dot DEPT number is equal to D dot DEPT number. This is the way Oracle 8 equi-join we are using. But unfortunately, D dot department number we are using also 10, 20, 30 only displayed. 40 does not display because matching rows only displayed, everyone knows. But if you want to display 40 also means in a previous classes, yesterday class, plus is a join operator. In a Oracle 8 join side, we are using only which side I want to display all the rows. That side we are not allowed to use the opposite algorithm only. Yes, through that one only we are following our rules. Then automatically 40 departments it will be displayed. This is outer join, 8 outer join. Yes, non-matching rows also displayed. 40 operation poster. Same output I want to display today 40 operation Boston, same output I want to display means then remove the plus operator. Okay, fine. How we are converting in place of where clause we are using a what? Which clause? Very good, on clause. Some fellows are telling correct, on clause. Yes, in place of comma, in between the tables in a from clause. Yes, we are using a what? Which join? Maybe anybody guess it? Left outer or right outer? Right outer or left outer? I want to display 40 also. Left or right? Right or left? Left or right? Anybody guess it? In a database also same only. Here I want to display 40 operation Boston. Okay, that non-matching rows also I want to display. Then we are using a left outer, right outer or left outer. Very good. Left outer join is a wrong answer. In this case, reverse. Right outer join. Right outer join is a correct answer. What is right outer join means? I will tell you. Right outer join. Very important. Observe here. Right outer join we are using. Then only all the rows from right hand side table it will be displayed. What is right outer join means? Nothing is there. Right side table all the rows. Right side table which one? DPT. DPT means 10, 20, 30 and 40 also there. That's why right outer join means right side table all the rows. Left outer join means left side table all the rows. Simple this one. But Oracle 8 only confusing opposite side only. But this is very easy. Left outer means left side table all the rows. Right outer join means right side table all the rows. Right side table all the rows. Right side table all the rows means 10, 20, 30. Right side table which table? DEPT table. Very good. DEPT table all the rows means 10, 20, 30, 40 also. Really correct. I try to check. Now here check it out. Yes, observe it here. 40 operations it will be displayed or not? Yes, your right side table all the rows, left side table magic rows. But unfortunately in my class so many fellows having a doubt only. Right side table means I am asking only. Now tell me, anybody guess it? D dot department number is a right side table. Otherwise, yes, here, yes, DEPT D is a right side table. Only one thing is correct fast. D dot department number is a right side table or DEPT D is a right side table. Only one answer is correct fast. D dot department number or DEPT D. Only one thing is right side table only. Yes, which one is treated as a what? Right side table? DEPT D or D dot department number? Very good. Anybody telling a what? D dot department number means wrong answer. Always right outer join, left outer join, full outer join keywords are there. Yes, in the keywords, which one is a left hand side table, which one is a right hand side table means here DEPT D is a right hand side table. That is important. Keyword based this one. This is different, not a condition based. Here right outer join means right side table all the rows. Right side table, which was the table? Yes, right outer join keyword is there. After that one, which table is available? DEPT D is there. That's why DEPT D is a right hand side table. Now check it out. Yes, here right hand side table all the rows. 40 operation Boston. But unfortunately, really that is correct. Yes, I'm interested to check. Suppose I'm changing only in place of DEPT D. Here I'm using a what? EMPE I'm using. Okay, fine. Here, in place of EMPE, just I am using a DEPT. Really, that is correct or not? Check it out. Suppose here, in this case, right side table, all the rows, right side table, all the rows means EMP table. EMP table, all the rows means 10, 20, 30 only displayed or not? Yes. It is important. Suppose here, now I am writing a what? Yes, here left outer join here in this case. Here left outer join means left side table all the rows. Left side table all the rows means DEPT. DEPT table all the rows means 10, 20, 30, 40 also displayed or not? Yes, here left side table all the rows. And now here check it out. I try to execute like this. Yes, automatically how much easy? That's why left outer join means left side table all the rows. Right outer join means right side table all the rows, but unfortunately don't try to tell that much of simple way in front of interviewer. Okay, that is correct, but unfortunately interviewer are not satisfied. Why? Because you are a good professional means professional way we are telling only what is left outer join means. Today one of these stage diagrams are there, join subtraction side. Observe here, this is a set theory. Left table, right side table is there. Left outer join means left side table all the rows, left side table all the rows, and the right side table matching rows, and also non-matching rows place null values are there. Okay, fine, really that is correct. And now here check it out, that is your understandable means select, observe here, star from, and now here these are the tables are there or not, previous case, observe here, concentrate here. I am using my own tables, then better. This is a what? Join is there. Okay, inner join is there. Okay, fine. In this case, left side table all the rows, right side table matching rows, and a non-matching rows place null values. Really correct here. Left space join or left space outer space join. One of the stage join subtraction. Those diagrams I am telling me is very easy. But before that one, observe here. Left side table all the rows. Observe here. Left side table all the rows. This is XYZ PQR. Is the left side table or not? All the rows. Again, right side table matching rows. Matching rows means XY. And non-matching rows place null values. Here null values are there or not? Yes, here. That's what. And now here always this is the way. Otherwise, left side table all the rows you are telling also good. But unfortunately, more clarity means better only. And now here, write it. Some theory write it. Left outer join. Left outer join. Left outer join. This join returns all rows from left side table. This join returns all rows from left side table and matching rows from right side table. This join returns all rows from left side table and matching rows from right side table. This join returns all rows from left side table. This join returns all rows from left side table and matching rows from right side table. And also returns null values. And also returns null values in place of non-matching rows in another table. And also returns null values in place of non-matching rows in another table. And also returns null values in place of non-matching rows in another table. And also returns null values in place of non-matching rows in another table. And also returns null values in place of non-matching rows in another table. Example, this example, write it. This is a left hand side table, all the rows, no. Right hand side table matching rows, no. In place of non-matching rows, null values are there here. Next, some other stage diagrammatical based only join subtraction based, very easy. But before that one, these entry questions. This is a null value like this. You have to write it simple. Completed this one? Yes, output, write it, okay? Yeah. And now here, next, right outer join. Next, side heading, right outer join. Right outer join means reverse, no? Right side table all the rows and left side table matching rows and non-matching rows place. Null values are not. Yes, here. Write it. Right outer join. This join returns. This join returns all rows from right side table. This join returns all rows from right side table and matching rows from left side table. This join returns all rows from right side table and matching rows from left side table, and also returns null values in place of non-matching rows in another table, and also returns null values in place of non-matching rows in another table, and also returns null values in place of non-matching rows in another table, and also returns null values in place of non-matching rows in another table, and also returns null values in place of non-matching rows in another table. Okay, now how much easy observe here? Just we are using a what here, right space join or right outer join, anything also same. And now check it out. Right side table all the data, but left side table matching rows. And now here, but non-matching rows place null values. Observe here. Here it will display X, Y, ST. Right side table all the rows. Left side table matching data here also matching row it will display. I am telling already, no, non-matching data also displayed because matching data is there in a which row, that row also displayed. Here non-matching rows place null values, it will be displayed. Write it this one. This one, write it. Example. Every database same concept. Outputs, write it. Outputs only important. Through the another big examples are there. Through that one, if you join very easy, I will tell you. But this is into you're asking their own tables. No, that's one. right side table all the rows, left side table matching data, but non-matching data also displayed because row is there, that one, and non-matching rows place null values. These are null, null, null like this. Output also write it. Completed this one. Next, full outer join. Next side heading full outer join. Full outer join means nothing is there. All the tables data only, because it is the combination of left and right outer joins. That's why null values also it will be written. Null values we cannot control. Write it. Full outer join. Side heading full outer join. Full outer join. Full outer join. Write it. Some theory write it first, then practically you are understandable. Full outer join returns. Full outer join returns all rows from both the tables. Full outer join returns all the rows from both the tables. Full outer join returns all rows from the both the tables, because it is the combination of left and right outer joins, because it is a combination of left and right outer joins, and also this join returns null values, in place of non-matching rows in another table, and also this join returns null values in place of non-matching rows in another table, and also this join returns null values in place of non-matching rows in another table. Those null values nobody controlling. Observe here. Full outer join returns all the rows from both the tables, because it is a combination of left and right outer joins, and also this join returns null values in place of non-matching rows in another table. Okay na? And now check it out how much easy. And now project side, reporting side, all the data you want is full outer join, nothing is there. Okay, based on the project report side we are using. And now check it out, observe here. Actually most of the time inner join only project side, and the full outer join. Full outer join I'm using means all the data, but null values we cannot control. Observe here, all the data x y z, observe here x y z, and now here yes x y s t, both all the things it will be displayed or not. Yes, here x y z, okay, so now here yes, yes pqr and x y s t, all the things it will be displayed only here, this one and this one, all the rows, both the tables, but null values, non-matching rows place here null value, null value, null value, null value, null value, it will be displayed. Why? Because this is a combination of left and right order, we cannot control those null values. Okay, write it. Fastly write it. This output, write it. Output is different. Here null value, here null value, here null, here null, here null. This is output, write it. You cannot control null values. Full outer join means all the data it will be displayed. Next, side heading natural join. Write it. Side heading natural join. Completed this output natural join. Observe it here. Actually, up to now we are using either 8 joins, either 9 joins, always on clause or where clause joining condition. Here only we are explicitly we are writing. But unfortunately, natural join means you are not required to write this condition. Joining condition you are not required to write. Database servers only automatically writing a joining condition. How it is possible means actually resource tables having a common columns are there, then only working this join. That common column based only server is automatically writing a what the condition only. But automatically writing condition also, why this is not popular means two drawbacks are there. Only two tables only working this one, and also some other output is different only. That's why this is also rare cases they are using in a project side. And now here write it natural join. Natural join. Natural join. Practically means you are understandable. Then important concept I will tell you. Natural join. Actually, natural join also same like a inner join is there. No, inner join returns a what? Matching rows or not? Here also matching rows it will be returned. What the advantage? You are not required to write a joining condition. But why this is not popular means practically you are understandable. Write it natural join. This join also returns. This join also returns matching rows only. This join also returns matching rows only. This join also returns matching rows only. In this join, we are not allowed to use joining condition explicitly. In this join, we are not allowed to use joining condition explicitly. In this join, we are not allowed to use joining condition explicitly because whenever tables having common columns, whenever tables having common columns, because whenever tables having common columns, then only Oracle server, internally, then only Oracle server internally automatically establishes, joining conditions, joining conditions based on common columns. Then only Oracle server internally automatically establishes joining conditions based on common columns. Anybody not writing properly means, again observe here, I am telling this join also returns matching rows only. In this join we are not allowed to use joining condition explicitly, because whenever tables having common columns, then only Oracle server internally automatically establishes joining condition based on common columns. Syntax, practically understandable, don't worry. Syntax, select start from table name 1, natural space join table name 2. 3 tables means not working, and also common columns are not there means not working. Okay, select star from table name 1, natural join table name 2. Okay na? Yes, observe syntax finished, but unfortunately slowly observe here. Why this is not popular means one problem is there. Actually this is easy also, common columns are there, then server only take care also. One problem is there. What is that one? Output is displayed a what? Same like a using clause output. Internally using clause is there, that's 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 why here also common columns one time only displayed. I don't want to display common columns one time means there is no suitable natural join is not suitable only in your project. That's why natural join and using clauses are very, very rare cases. Actually in a database, common columns one time only you want to display means then only using clause internally there in a natural join, then use it. Okay, fine. Using clause internally there, that's why common columns only one time only displayed. Really that is correct. Now screen observe it, don't write it only 1 minute, observe it here. Now check it out. Suppose for example this is a full outer join is there. Now I want to convert into natural join means possible, because common columns are there. No, on clause we have to remove it. Okay, fine. Now in place of full outer join, in place of any join keyword, here we are using a what? A natural space join is a keyword. We are not required to write a what? A joining condition, because common columns are there. Based on that one, server only creating a what? Joining condition internally. Okay, but output, observe it, output is different. Same like a today using clause output, common columns one time only displayed. You are understandable or not? Same thing is displayed. Observe it here. Yes, same. Now check it out. Only one time only common columns are there. Observe here. Common columns are available only one time or not? Yes, same like a using clause output. Write a note. Write a note. Write a note. This join also returns common columns one time only. This join also returns common columns one time only. This join also returns common columns one time only, because this join also returns common columns one time only, because natural join internally uses using clause. This join also returns common columns one time only, because natural join internally uses using clause. This join also returns common columns one time only, because natural join internally uses using clause. This join also returns common columns one time only, because Natural join internally uses using clause. Natural join internally uses using clause. Example, this one, write it. Today up to end of the class, concentrate end of the class. One important concept I will tell you, don't worry. That's most powerful. Up to now different, next different. Write it this example. Next, observe it here. Suppose, okay, these are the joints only. Now concentrate. Now, very, very important, last concepts only. And then only, yes, here, these are all the joints, very easy way. Yes, here, diagrammatic manner, I am telling only inner join means matching rows here. Yes, left outer, right outer, full outer, joint subtraction, all the things very easily understandable. That is the example, very easy. But before that one, interviewer asking their own tables. No, that's why I'm telling. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Now concentrate. Suppose before we are going to start these joins, you are observing or not in that class, what I am telling, without using joins also we are retrieving a data from multiple tables. That is internally Oracle server uses default join. In a Oracle 8i, default join is cross join. I am telling or not? Yes, here. In a join also we are converting into where normal joins by using about two changes. One is on clause in place of where clause in a joining condition, and also in place of comma in between the tables in a from clause. Just we are using a join keyword. I am telling or not? Yes. Same thing. I try to apply cross join side. What happened? Observe it here. Don't write it. Observe it here. Select ename. Don't write it. Before we are going to start joins. Here I am telling a what like this. Ename comma salary comma dname comma location. I am writing only in a previous classes one of these states. In this stage I am telling only without using joining condition, just from emp comma dept we are using means internally Oracle server uses cross join. That's why 56 rows automatically displayed. Already I'm telling or not? Yes, this join nobody using, but this is a cross join only. Okay, fine. Now I want to convert this cross join into where in every database cross join only. How can I? Two changes. One is what? On clause in place of where clause. But unfortunately, in a where clause is available here. No, not available. Again, in between the comma, in between the tables, comma place join keyword we are using only. Yes, I try to use a join keyword. Same cross join report I want means it won't work. Impossible. Why? Because in a where Oracle 9i, 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, in these latest software side, cross join is not a default join. Up to Oracle 9i, cross join is a default join, but nowadays cross join is not a default join. You want to cross join means explicitly cross join is a keyword we are using in SQL server, in a MySQL, in a DB2, in a Sybase, in every database also. Cross join you want means explicitly we are using cross join is a keyword. That's why it won't work. Observe here, missing keyword is there. That's why you want cross join report. Actually not required actually. And now here you want that one means cross space join we are using, then only it is working. That's why in a books we are referring means cross join explicitly there in a MySQL, SQL server, Oracle. But Oracle developer does not know this one cross join, not a problem. Why? Because comma we are using also cross join is there internally. But 9 onwards explicitly you are interested to use ANSI standard joins means cross join explicitly we are telling only. Right side heading cross join. Then important concept I will tell you, cross join. Write it, cross join. cross join, or directly write it this cross join. Okay, this cross join, write it directly. Syntax, these all the things not required. Very rare cases this. Completed this one? Yes. And now very important concept. What is that one means? Actually, always in a real time. Always in a real time. 100%. 100%. Observe here. Common columns are there in a tables. Why? Because those are normalized tables. Master and child tables in a main transaction. In that case, common columns are there. That's why anybody, newcomers learning means any lecturer also, best way that giving a training only, common column based only they are telling. Okay, fine, or joins only. But unfortunately, EF code does not define like this really. Actually, when tables does not have common columns also, we are retrieving a data from multiple tables possible. Actually, common column is not a key concept. Only in a natural join, only in a using class side, common column is required. Whenever tables does not have a common columns also, does not have common columns also, we are retrieving a data from multiple tables by using a joins possible. Why? Because joins means comparing values. Joins means always retrieve. Joins means always data type only checking. Which columns we are joining only, that data type only checking by the server. This is a very important concept. This concept based only today or tomorrow onwards, we are telling about which one. Yes, here. Okay, so now here join subtraction is a concept is there, eliminating something only, matching data. That join subtraction we are telling, that is most powerful. That is the key column. That's why in all relational databases, we can also retrieve data from multiple tables by using joins when tables does not have common columns also. That is important, because in database server checks always column data type only correct or not, it will be checking every database really correct. Yes, that's why up to now I am not telling, now I am telling only, and now check it out. Yes, observe here. Suppose concentrate here, drop table, any join you are using, okay, except natural, except using class. Okay, yes, test one is a table. This is very important. This is I want actually this base only, next to so many things we are telling. So now here, that's why learners learning is different and experienced persons different only. Now check it out. Observe here. Now this is a table is there. Every database create table test one. Okay, fine. Here I'm checking really that is correct or not. Yes, checking. Suppose yes number is a column. I'm taking number like this. Okay, fine. Number like this only. Now I try to insert a data, anything, insert into table name here, test one values. Okay, fine. Yes, here. And now here test one value. That's why first initial stage we are telling about differently, experience side different. And now check it out. Here ampersand s number like this. And now here 10 like this only, here 20 for example. Okay na? Yes, here. Now again this is a table is there, select a star from here test one, here s number is a column, you are observing or not, s number, serial number, anything I'm giving a column. Again another table, create a table, yes, here table name test2 I'm using. Here also department number I'm using, otherwise A, otherwise B, anything. Yes, here totally name is changing, but data type same thing I'm using, a number, character like this. Observe here. Yes, here this is a DEPT number. This is SN number. This is a department number. Now I try to insert a data. Insert into table name. What is the table name? Test2 like this only. Values like this. Anything. And now here ampersand department number. Okay, fine. Here 10, 20, 30, anything. Okay, just observe it here roughly. Now commit the transaction. Now check it out. These are the two tables are there. Select the star from here. Test 1 is a table. Again, another one is what? Select the star from test 2 is a table. Observe it here. These are the two tables are there, test 1, test 2. But here, yes, test 1 table, which column is there? S number is the column. In a test 2 table, which column is there? DPT number is the column. Both the columns are different names, but unfortunately data type is same. Then we are retrieving a data from these two tables by using any type of joins except natural, except using cross. Yes, possible, because joins means always data type only it will be checking, not a common columns actually. Really this is correct, because you have got designing like this. First newcomer is confusing, that's why last only we are telling means they are understandable. And now check it out. I try to use a select here star. Okay, fine. From here, any join test 1, comma 8 equi join 9 join anything test 2 here, where here test 1 dot s number column compare with the what test 2 dot yes department number column. Possible. Yes, observe here. Different table column data also working. Very important. Observe here. Most powerful. This is entry question only. Can we retrieve the data from multiple tables without any common column? Yes, possible, because data type is same. Then working. Write it. Write a note. Write it. Write a note. In all relational databases, every database, write it. In all relational databases, we can also retrieve data from. In all relational databases, we can also retrieve data from multiple tables. In all relational databases, we can also retrieve data from multiple tables by using joins. In all relational databases, we can also retrieve data from multiple tables by using joins. When tables does not have common columns also. When tables does not have common columns also. When tables does not have common columns also. In all relational databases, we can also retrieve data from multiple tables by using joins. When tables does not have common columns also. Does not have common columns also, underline it. Does not have common columns also. In this case, write it. In this case, database servers checks. In this case, database server checks those columns data types only. In this case, database servers checks those columns data types only. In this case, database servers checks those columns data types only. Example, example, this one, write it. One example, write it. Very important. This page only, next join subtraction is there. That is most powerful. Example. Join subtraction through all the things understandable. Example. Write it fast. This is important actually compared to previous case all the things. This based only we are learning some concepts. Then only diagrammatically that easy, join, subtraction and all those things. Any number A, B, any columns also, but data types are same or not checked by the server. This test table also write it. Then this based only join write it. You are taking A or B or any columns also. This table we are taking. This join write it, any join. This one write it. Only common columns are not there mean natural join and also using clause not working. Remaining all the things are working or not? Yeah. Completed. Up to this one is enough. Tomorrow join subtraction and also constraints we are learning. Up to this one practice it. Tomorrow I will tell you.